So we are here at Deer Run Elementary for our 14th annual playground build, and we are so excited, especially this year, to be able to be just down the road from our facility in Pike Township, and being able to affect a school that we pass every single day on the way to work is so special. With every playground build, we feel honored to be able to give something like this to whichever community we're in, whichever township we're in. But this one in particular means a lot, and I think will be really fun for our employees who volunteer here, and also for our players who come and help every year on this project, for them to be able to see they're literally driving 2 feet from where they work every day is so special.
It was really cool, and on top of just building the playground, we got to help the kids create fun little rocks and paint the rocks and get to connect with them and kind of hear their stories as well. So it was a really good experience, and I felt like I actually made an impact today.
As you can see behind me, we've got an amazing playground that was built in one day by some extraordinary volunteers. Our students are excited to get ready to get on this playground and enjoy this for years to come.